Today's video's topic is water remedies. Out of all the ingredients and recipes discussed till now, did you know the most vital one? You guessed it, it's 2O, the basic water. Digestion, circulation, etc. All body's functions are dependent upon hydration. I cannot emphasize enough. Keep yourself hydrated. You need to drink water. If you are not drinking enough water already, you don't know how stressful your body is or how many things your body has to go through. Start drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day, and I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results. If you are someone who doesn't get thirsty, try to exercise, try to do something that will make you thirsty so that you include more water in your diet. What if I tell you we can enhance the benefits of water? That's right, definitely we can do it by adding a dash of some healthy add-ons. Your water will be tastier and more healthy. In sense, it will give you more added benefits. I've discussed some of these remedies in my previous videos. I have a detailed video on the benefits of detox water right there on my Instagram page and YouTube video. You can check that out. So the same way we can prepare mint water. That's right, just add some mint leaves in water, infuse it for 4 to 6 hours and it is ready. The refreshing smell and taste shall motivate you to drink more. Now let's talk about lemon water. Lemon water has number of benefits that it offers. It detoxifies your body and skin. Now honey water can be taken alone or combining with lemon water. It is beneficial as a weight loss supplement. It flushes out the toxins and regulates the general gut health. You may exercise all your creativity with water. Just make it tasty. Try any of your favorite and get started. So I hope you liked today's video. If you are interested in more such videos, do follow my Instagram page and my YouTube channel and you can get more of such content. With this, I am ending today's video. Signing off, Sagar Mantry.